Welcome to the spoken tutorial on DC sweep analysis in NGspice. In this tutorial, we will learn to perform DC sweep analysis and nested DC sweep analysis. Basic knowledge of electronic circuits is a prerequisite for this tutorial. Basic knowledge of Ubuntu Linux and shell commands is also required. Ubuntu 12.04 is the operating system used with NGspice version 23 installed. We will use example circuit shown. The circuit consists of three prominent nodes 1, 2 and 3. In addition, a fourth node called as reference or datum node must be marked as node 0. This is mandatory for any circuit. Let us open the NGspice netlist file example.cir corresponding to the circuit schematic shown before in the text editor. I have already opened this file in gedit text editor. Note that netlist file is saved with .cir extension. We can see all the components like voltage source, resistors, and information about nodes connecting them together. DC command included in the netlist file is used to perform DC sweep analysis. General form to use DC command is as shown: .dc, srcnam, vstart, vstop, vincr, where srcnam is name of the independent voltage and current source. Vstart, vstop, and vincr are the starting, final, and increment values respectively for the source. As you see, we are sweeping voltage source V1 for a single value of 24 volts with a step increment of 1. Now we will simulate this circuit and find out voltage values at different nodes. Let us open NGspice through terminal. Press Ctrl-Alt-T together. This will open the terminal window. Now I go to the folder where the netlist file example.cir is saved. I do this as follows: cd, downloads, path to the folder, and press enter. Now let us simulate the NGspice file. Let us see how this can be done. On terminal, type NGspice space example.cir and press enter. Value of voltage V1 is 2.4 volts. Value of voltage V2 is 9.746 volts. Other node voltages are also displayed. Next, we will see how to do nested DC sweep analysis. Generalized form for this is as shown: .dc, srcnam, vstart, vstop, vincr, src2, start2, stop2, incr2, where srcnam is the primary sweep variable and src2 is the secondary sweep variable. Secondary sweep variable forms the outer loop. That is, for every increment of secondary sweep variable, the first sweep variable is stepped through its entire range of values. It will be more clear with the example circuit we will simulate. We will use bipolar junction transistor based circuit in common base configuration. Primary sweep variable is voltage Vin connected between emitter and base terminals. Secondary sweep variable will be the load resistor R load. We will plot output voltage versus input voltage for different values of the load resistor. The output voltage is the voltage across R load and the input voltage is Vin. Following is the netlist corresponding to the common base transistor circuit. NPN is the default model used for transistor mod 1 in the circuit. As you can see, Vin is varied from 0.2 volts to 2 volts with step increment of 0.02 volts. R load is varied from 5 kilo ohms to 10 kilo ohms with step increment of 2 kilo ohms. For different values of R load, Vin is swept through the complete range of 0.2 to 2. Graph of output voltage versus input voltage is plotted in each case. Plot V of 3, 4 plots the voltage drop between the nodes 3 and 4, that is the voltage across R load. Now we will simulate this circuit and see the results. On the terminal, type source space example nested.cir and press enter. This will run the simulation. Source command is used to simulate the netlist from within the NGspice simulator environment. As you can see, graph of output voltage versus input voltage is plotted for different values of load resistor. Quit the NGspice simulator by typing quit and press enter. Here we come to the end of this tutorial. In this tutorial, we learned to perform DC sweep analysis of a given circuit, nested DC sweep analysis of a given circuit. Watch the video available at the following link. It summarizes the spoken tutorial project. If you do not have good bandwidth, you can download and watch it. The Spoken Tutorial project team conducts workshops using spoken tutorials, gives certificates for those who pass an online test. For more details, please write to contact@spoken-tutorial.org. Spoken Tutorial is a part of Talk to a Teacher project. It is supported by the National Mission on Education through ICT, MHRD, Government of India. More information on this mission is available at spoken-tutorial.org/nmeict-intro. Thank you for joining. Hope you found this tutorial useful. This is Anuradha Amrutkar signing off.